TikTok Lite download videos to save the quality. And it's the fastest way to download it and doesn't ruin the quality of the video. So here, guys, this is just a quick and simple video because it's very straightforward. But some people doesn't know how to download videos here on TikTok Lite. But here on this video, it's just a quick and straightforward video. So hey guys, right here you will see there. All we need to do is go to a video. For example, we're gonna go here, home. So there you go. And all we need to do is click on the share button, like the pointing to the right button. Press on that. After pressing on that right there, all we need to do right here is click on save video. Easy as that. But a warning, guys, not all videos can be downloaded. So yeah, that's one of the problem. If you don't see a save video, which means that video is not the creator of that video is not allowing you to download it. But right here, for example, right here, it's allowing us to download it. Then click on save video. Click on save video. Easy as that. There you go. As you can see, that video has now been saved to our gallery. So we're just gonna go to our gallery. Hey guys, we are here at our gallery. So here at gallery you will see this right there. Now you can just play it. There you go. You control it. There you go. And then you say TikTok Lite. Easy as that. There you go. So there. So yeah, that's about it, guys. That's how you do it. There. I hope you guys like the video. Hope you enjoyed. If you have more questions or concerns, you can always type it down question below, guys. Happy to answer you as soon as possible, guys. See you guys on the next one. And if you want, you can check our Wise link down below. If you want to hold multiple currencies, transfer your funds in different current countries, I suggest using Wise. You can watch our other Wise videos on this channel. Anyways, guys, there you go, guys. Thank you, guys. Hope you guys like the video, and thank you, guys.